Hello, my dear students. Welcome to class 5th. Today we are going to learn nouns, the grammatical part, nouns. Okay. So, first we will see what is a noun. Okay. So, what is a noun? Words. The words that tell us about the names of a person, place, animal, or thing are called nouns. Okay. What did I say? Words that tell us about the names of a person, place, animal, or thing are called nouns that we have learned in 4th standard also. Okay. So, first we will see the person. Okay. The name of person. Can you see here? Okay. So, see here Mr. Shah. Okay. The person who are the person that I am telling? Mr. Shah, Ronit, Mia, Mrs. Rao. Okay, so these are the persons. And what we have learned? The words that tell us about the names of a person. So we have seen the person's name. Okay, now we will see the place. Okay, so place, garden, school, hospital, Jaipur. Okay, now see the animals. Okay, the animals, frog, tiger, lizard, and elephant. And things are pepper, desk, sheep, and vase. Okay, so these are the names of person, place, animal, and things. So these are called nouns. Okay, so there are four types of nouns. In this year we are going to learn. The first is common noun. Okay, so what is a common noun? A common noun is the name given to any person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, see, I repeat again. The common noun is the name given to any person, place, animal, or thing. It's called a common noun. Okay, so see, for examples we will see teacher, country, dog, school. Okay, so now we will see the examples of these common nouns. Okay, number one we will see what is the first is teacher. Okay, so first sentence we will see a teacher can change the world. Okay, so here commonly it is said a teacher. Okay, yes, commonly it is said a teacher, a common noun. Okay, then see the next, he lives in another country. Okay, so we know that he lives in another country. We don't know the name of country, but here country is given. So country is a common name. Now see, the dog jumped over the wall. Okay, the dog is also common name. So in this way we understand that what is a common noun. Okay, the common noun is a name given to any person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, so now we will turn towards the proper noun. Okay, so we will see what is a proper noun. Can you see? Okay, what is a proper noun? A proper noun is the special name given to a particular person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, I repeat again. A proper noun is the special name given to a particular person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, so see the examples we can see here: Navneet, Ahmedabad, Neptune, and Greece. Okay, so these are the proper nouns. We will see the examples of it. Navneet is my best friend. Now see, here the person's name has been given here. Navneet. Okay. So we can say that Navneet is my best friend. Who is my best friend? Navneet is my best friend. Ahmedabad is big city. Okay, here the city's name has been given. Ahmedabad is a big city. Neptune is a greenish blue planet. Okay, and my uncle lives in Greece. Greece is again name of country. Okay, so see here what it said that what is a proper noun? Proper noun is a special name. Special name given to particular person, place, animal or thing. So here we can see the particular name has been given to friend. Here the particular name has been given to city. Here the particular name has been given to planet. And here the particular name has been given to country. Are you getting me? Okay. See here, now we will see abstract noun. Okay, so what is an abstract noun? What is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is the name given to a quality, concept, idea, experience, state of being or feeling. See, these things we cannot see, we cannot touch. Yes, just we can experience it. Okay, so these are the abstract nouns. See, kindness, childhood, anger, honesty. Yes, so examples we will see. King Akbar was famous for his kindness. Okay, so kindness is the name of quality. Okay, kindness is a quality of King Akbar. Huh? So this is a quality which is called an abstract noun. Okay, childhood never comes back. So childhood is also, what is that? Childhood is a concept. Okay, so this is also an abstract noun. He lost everything due to his anger. See here, the anger is feeling. Okay, so this is also an abstract noun. He lost everything due to his anger. Okay, and honesty is the best policy. Again, honesty is what is honesty here? The honesty is concept here. Okay, so honesty is is the best policy. So these words are such type of words: kindness, childhood, anger, honesty. These type of words which are the quality, concept, idea, experience, state of being or feelings. So these names are called an abstract noun. Okay. See here, now we will discuss about the collective noun. Okay, so what is a collective noun? A collective noun is the name given to a group of people, animals or things of the same kind taken together as one whole. I repeat again. A collective noun is a name given to a group of people, animals or things of the same kind taken together as the whole. We will see the example so that you will get the idea. Okay, see, bunch, class, group and gang. Okay, so we will see the examples of it. First we will take bunch. Okay, so see here, an elephant ate a bunch of bananas. Okay, see here, the name of bunch here has been given a group of bananas. Okay, a group of thing means group of bananas. So bananas is a same kind of fruit. Yes, so taken together, so it is called bunch of bananas. Okay, bunch. Then we will see class of students is very cheerful. Here the class has been taken, class of students. Okay, now see here the third example. People were standing in a group. Okay, so see here, people were standing in a group, means we can say here group of people. Okay, and the next is robbers robbed the bank in a gang. The gang of robbers, the gang of robbers. Are you getting me? Okay, so here we have seen a collective noun is a name given to group of people, animal or thing of same kind of taken together as a whole, one whole. Okay, so here have you got what is a collective noun? Yes. So today we have learned the four kinds of noun. Okay, the four types of noun, which is the first we have seen common noun, then we have seen proper noun, then we have seen abstract noun, and the last we have seen collective noun. I want that all these four kinds of nouns you write in your notebook and make a good presentation. Okay, bye, see you.